Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. So today I'm in Winton Road in Reading, and I'm just going to give you a spin round slowly of the area just so you get a feeling for the for where I am today. So just up the road, just up here is Crosfields School. You've got a nice little walkway to make it easier to get to. But the property I'm bringing you today is this one here. Now it's a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow, and it is on the sales market now. So with this being a live video, feel free to ask me any questions you might have, and I will do my best to answer those as we go round. So you'll see here that the front garden is patioed. A few of the flowers poking through there, but if you wanted it as more parking you could easily use it, but there is certainly driveway space, 2 cars at least, plus then you've got on-street parking as well. So there's a back gate which will take you to out into the back garden, and I will show you that in just a moment. But in the meantime, let's head on in the front door and let me show you around. So it's solid wood floor, nice laminate flooring downstairs in the hallway and leading into the reception. But as this is a bungalow, we have 2 bedrooms here. So the first one is the main bedroom, really good sized double, lovely bay window which will let so much light in, and it is a comfortable size as well. Nice high ceiling as well, really quite spacious for that one as well. Head into this door here. So this is bedroom 2, so currently being used as a bit of a storage room. Now this would be all emptied prior to you purchasing, and you also have 2 good sized double wardrobes in this room here, and it is still a really good sized double bedroom. Heading on out, and what I'll do is I'll turn to the right and I'm into the reception room. So just standing in the corner just to give you guys a feel of the size of the room. It's very, very comfortable. And then you've got these lovely large sliding doors out into a sort of sun terrace. This is, I don't know if you can hear there, but like wood structure. There is electrics out here, there is plumbing out here, but also gives you scope to extend out. You also get these lovely big windows to let lots of light in, but also gives you a view over the back garden. So into the kitchen, and it's a neat kitchen. As I said, it's only a 2-bed property, but you've got the gas hob and electric oven, space there for your washing machine and your fridge. However, you've got a recess here. I'd probably look at putting my fridge in here and then maybe plumbing in a dishwasher in the kitchen. Double glazed window, lets lots of light in, and it's a nice modern feel to it. Here's your family bathroom. It is the only bathroom in the property, but you've got lovely white units, shower over the bath, there we are, and then this lovely big window as well, lets lots of light in, and also to help combat any sort of damp. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you outside, show you this back garden, because I think it's absolutely fantastic. So you've got these French doors here, and then there's the back gate, and then heading on out. I have a feeling years ago there was a garage here, but at some point that's all been taken down to give you a bit more patio space. But nice enclosed garden, and you can see as well next door and a couple of doors down have gone into the attic as well, so there is scope here for development to make a room upstairs should you want it. Just walking to the back of the garden to give you an idea. Feel free to keep those questions coming in. We'll be in touch after this and get you your private viewings. But quite a few of the properties around here have been developed into. You've got scope to put a larger extension on. As you can see, the house there have done. But I think this is a lovely area. It's nice and quiet. You're at the top of the hill on Winton Road. So down to the bottom of the hill, you've got towards the motorway, you've got shops nearby, Lidl, Aldi's, Morrison's, all within about I'd say between sort of 5 and 8 minutes drive away. But it's a lovely quiet neighbourhood as well, which is wonderful. Property's been sold as a closed chain. The owner on this one here has offered on a property which has been accepted, and so we just need to find her a buyer now. If you have any further questions, do feel free to get in touch. I want to thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the property. I really think it is it's got so much potential in here, which is amazing. Yeah, I want to thank you for joining me. I so look forward to hearing from you soon, and you guys take care. I'll speak again. Bye bye.